Hello guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to recreate this adorable Christmas / winter faux fur wreath. You will need some faux fabric from any craft store. I believe I got mine from Joann's. We will begin by laying flat our fabric and flipping over. I'll be tracing 2 circles, drawing a small one inside a big one, like a donut. Now I'm craving a donut. Must be lunchtime. Once you have drawn your circles, make sure to attach bobby pins before you start cutting to prevent the fabric from moving. For reference, you will need at least half a yard. We are almost done. Stay with me. Next, I'm going to start sewing. If you do not enjoy it, you can use fabric tape. Flip over and close the small circle, but leave an open space to insert filling. Lastly, close. My favorite part, decorating. We can now create anything. I used some old snowflakes from Dollar Tree and glued them like this. I love it. Easy, right? Hopefully this video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!